When we talk about cold-pressed juicers, most of us think about one thing only: juice. But the Canoly C16 tries to go a bit further than that. Instead of being a single-purpose appliance, it's designed to fit into everyday kitchen routines. Today, we're breaking it down into 10 key features to see what actually makes it stand out in real use, without hype or over-promising. The biggest strength of the Canoly C16 is that it's not just a juicer. It works as a cold-press juicer, a frozen fruit sorbet maker, and a nut milk processor. That means one machine can handle morning juice, healthy desserts, and plant-based milk without needing extra appliances. The auger runs at a slow 45 rotations per minute. This matters because slower extraction reduces heat and oxidation. In daily use, this translates to juice that tastes fresher and holds up better in the fridge compared to high-speed juicers. Inside, the C16 uses a 250-watt brushless motor with high torque. On paper, that might not sound huge, but in practice, it pushes through harder produce like carrots, beets, and apples without struggling. The motor stays steady rather than forcing you to feed ingredients slowly. The slow auger design squeezes produce thoroughly. The pulp comes out quite dry, which is usually a good sign of efficient extraction. While no juicer hits perfect numbers, the yield here is consistent and satisfying for everyday use. The hopper is generously sized, making it practical for batch juicing. You can prepare enough juice for 2 or 3 days in one session, which is helpful if you don't want to clean the machine every single morning. One of the more noticeable things is how quiet it is. At around 50 to 65 decibels, it's closer to a dishwasher than a blender. This makes early morning juicing less disruptive, especially in shared households. The included sorbet strainer isn't just a bonus. With frozen fruits like mango, banana, or berries, it produces a smooth, creamy texture that feels more like a soft dessert than crushed ice. It's a simple way to make healthier treats at home. With soaked almonds or cashews, the C16 handles nut milk smoothly. You get control over thickness and sweetness, and there are no preservatives involved. For people exploring dairy alternatives, this feature adds real value. Cleaning is often what decides whether a juicer gets used regularly. The C16 keeps things simple. The parts come apart quickly, the pulp outlet flips open for easy rinsing, and most residue clears under running water. Once you know the routine, cleanup takes only a few minutes. The motor is covered by a 15-year warranty, which is rare in this price range. While other parts have shorter coverage, this long motor warranty adds confidence that the core of the machine is built to last. The Canoly C16 doesn't try to compete with ultra-premium juicers on luxury features. Instead, it focuses on practical performance, versatility, and ease of use. It's designed for people who want a reliable cold-press juicer that can do more than just juice, without paying premium prices. If you're looking for a machine that fits into everyday routines and offers flexibility without complication, the C16 makes a strong case. That's our look at the Canoly C16 and the 10 features that help define it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this.